Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTR 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the speaker icon. As you can see, tap on it, and now we can adjust the sound volume by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. And once you're done, simply press the upper button or swipe right on the screen to go back, like this. You can also do it on the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here, open the Zap app on our phone, tap on Profile, select the Amazfit GTR 2 from the list of devices, here select the watch settings. Wait until the watch is done syncing, then select the watch settings. Here tap on sound and vibration, and we have a volume bar right here, and we can adjust the volume by swiping left and right on the screen, like this. You can also enable the alert tone if you want to by tapping the slider next to it, like that. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.